Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. Today we're going to be building a rubber band gun from lolly sticks, and if you wait around to the end I'll show you how you can modify your gun to shoot 2 targets in under a third of a second. To make this we're going to need some hot glue, a craft drill, some side cutters, some lolly sticks, some rubber bands, some tacks and some sandpaper. As promised, here's how to modify your gun to shoot 2 rubber bands without reloading. We're going to cut a second notch just above the handle, and we're going to lengthen the flat surface at the front of the gun to take 2 rubber bands. So we sand both of these off like this. Now we can adjust the trigger mechanism. So we want it to release one band first and then the second. Now we cut this off, like so. When loading your gun, always load the back band first, because that's the second band to be shot. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click here to subscribe to our channel, where you can watch more videos on great things to make and create. You can also click on the thumbs up icon below to give us a like or leave a message in our comment section.